Okay, guys, so I've partnered with the T-Zone store to bring you these lychee popping pearls. Honestly, this is probably one of the most fun things I have gotten in a long time. Now, of course, everyone knows about the boba tea and the little balls in it. Well, those are the pearls, and this company has different flavors for the little balls because, we are all trying to do things DIY at home to save that money. So I'm not making a boba tea. I'm just making a good, refreshing tropical drink. And I thought, why not use it? Now, like I said, I got the lychee flavor. It's kind of sweet, tropical. It is so good. I'm just adding a little bit of juice. I wanted a little more balls in there, and I'm just going to stir it. And the balls are so cool because you see them at the bottom. Once you put one in your mouth, it kind of pops and it gives you the full, vibrant flavor of that lychee. Now, like I said, they have lychee, brown sugar, blueberry, strawberry. They have so much. But if you're thinking of doing something at home or just having people over, you have to include this in your plans. Check out the T-Zone store to see what all they have.